morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast.
Today is Thursday, March 9th, 2023.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today's lunch. We have, for breakfast, milk and juice. For lunch, sloppy joe, tater tots, salad, milk and juice.
Today's weather, high of 79, low of 65, mostly sunny, low chance of rain.
March 9th, there's no birthdays.
Today's announcements. Thank you to everyone for making our halls look amazing. Our guests were so impressed with the creativity and talent that was on display. Congratulations to pre-K, kindergarten, and first grade for winning the discussion medals. This week will be testing ACAP alternate students. Miss Stewart's office across from the nurse station. Please be mindful of noise level when transitioning in the hallway and when having conversations near that area. Third quarter parent contact logs are due to Ms. Gibbs on Teacher Workday. Monday, March 20th, ACAP summative testing began on March 21st. We will hold individual ACAP goal settings meetings with students beginning next week. We want our students to realize the importance of doing their best on this state assignment. We are working on details for the incentive for our students who scored 3s or 4s on their last year's assignments. Library circulation is closed this week due to the software changeover across the district.
Important dates. March 4th through 14th, ACAP alternate. March 9th, PST. March 16th, tutoring ends. March 17th, Kona Ice Day. Third quarter ends. March 21st, teacher workday. March 22nd, ACAP summative begins.
Send us your questions. Are you curious about something? Always wondered how something works? Send us your question, and it may be chosen for our question of the day to be answered by our research team. You can submit questions to the question box that will be located in the library.
That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Shepherd Scholars.